If your ElevenLabs voice still sounds robotic, it's not the tool. It's one setting you're probably ignoring. Most people paste a script, hit generate, and expect magic. When it sounds flat, they regenerate again and again, wasting credits and getting the same result. Here's the fix. The biggest reason ElevenLabs sounds robotic is stability. When stability is too high, the voice becomes very consistent, but also very flat. No variation, no emotion. It sounds like it's reading, not speaking. So what should you do? Don't drop it to 0, but bring it down slightly. Around the mid-range usually works best. This allows the voice to add small variations in tone, pauses, and emphasis, and that's what makes it feel human. Now, here's the second thing most people miss, your script. Even the best ElevenLabs voice will sound robotic if your text is robotic. Long paragraphs, no pauses, no punctuation. It forces the AI to read everything in one tone. Instead, break your script. Add commas, short pauses, even line breaks. For example, instead of writing one long sentence, split it into 2. That tiny change makes a big difference in how the voice sounds. Another trick, generate in smaller parts. If you generate a huge block of text, the voice tries to stay consistent the whole time. That's where it starts sounding unnatural. Short sections equals more control equals better results. Also, pick the right voice. Some voices are naturally more expressive than others. If you're using a very neutral voice, it will sound more robotic no matter what you do. Now let's be real. ElevenLabs is one of the most realistic voice tools right now, but it's not plug and play. If you want high quality results, you need to tweak it. Quick recap, lower stability slightly, fix your script formatting, use shorter text sections, choose a more expressive voice. Do this once and you'll immediately hear the difference. So if your ElevenLabs voice sounds robotic, don't blame the tool. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.